Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a QR code in Canva. For this, you don't even need to leave the Canva website or app. You come here, scroll down from the left-hand panel, and I want you to click on apps. Okay, and here I want you to search for QR code. Search that up, and then I want you to use this one right here. This one was officially created by Canva itself. And then you just add the URL. For example, let's do this construction website. I'll put the URL. You can, of course, customize the background, foreground colors, things like that, and the margin as well. But I'll just go ahead and generate this just to show you. So as you can see, it is currently generating, and you can place it anywhere you would like. Of course, at any point in time, if you want to go ahead and edit that, you can go ahead and edit that and update the code as well, right? And it's really that easy and simple. So you can go ahead and share this with the people, and you're done.